Good afternoon. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So, in last session we had an session on introduction to digital marketing. So today we are actually starting our first module, that is search engine optimization. So in this session we will learn about what is search engine optimization, what is search engine results page, search engine versus PPC. So there are various things that we are going to learn in this session. So mostly everything about search engines and how what are the things that we need to do to get our website into search engines. So this is an introduction session for search engine optimization. So from the next session we will be work starting our practical session. So last time also we had a session for introduction to digital marketing, and today we are having introduction to search engine optimization. So from the next session we will be doing everything practically, so there won't be any slides from the next session. So let's begin. So in what is SEO, in this session we are going to learn what is SEO. So the first thing is that whatever efforts we take to get our website to show or rank in the search engines to the top of the page, or at least on the first of the page, or get into search engine, that process is called as search engine optimization. So all the efforts around trying to get a web page to show up, or a rank or increased rank within the search engine results page, is that process is called as search engine optimization. So now what do we mean by search engine results page? So search engine results page is nothing but the page which comes up after we search for some query in Google, then all the results will be displayed. So that is called as search engine results page, where all the results appear. So that is search engine results page. After that, whenever we search for some other queries, we might also encounter some of the ads over here. So these ads are PPC ads, so we call them PPC because the name is pay per click. So whenever one second, I think I did not share my screen. All right, I hope you are able to see my screen now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have this is pay per click over here, and this is organic results, where people have taken time and efforts to get their pages into search engine. So just let me show you the practical example of it. So if I open a browser and go to Google and search for something like say digital marketing courses, so now you can see over here, I can see some ad over here, also I can see an ad. So whatever is AD means advertisement. So this is all advertisement over here, and from here these are organic results. So this organic results, so this is what we call as an organic results, and this is all ads, pay per click. So now why it is called as pay per click? That is because whenever say a person will click on these links, so these links, whenever a person will click on this link, say some amount will get deducted from the person's wallet. So whatever payment they have uploaded, from that that much amount will get deducted. So that is the reason it is called as pay per click. So every keyword has some value. So if digital marketing course is having a value of 14 rupees, then 14 rupees will be deducted for the click. Every time a person clicks on this link, 14 rupees will get deducted from their account. So this is just an example, so it's not the real figure. So real figures we will see later on when we actually do the research, keyword research. So this is what it is, pay per click, and these are all organic results. So organic results are basically where people have taken time and efforts to get into search engine. So when we talk about the trust factor, so people might not trust that much over here. Say they will trust these ads because they already know nowadays people know that these are ads and these are organic results, so people will trust organic results because they know that the content that they are searching, the most relevant content, they will find it in the organic results. So that is what we can see over here. So these are all organic results, and the above ones are advertisements, so that is pay per click. So these are the two methods over here which are say within search engine optimization. One is organic, one is inorganic. So search engine optimization is organic method and pay per click is inorganic method. Now uh, over here we will be learning about search engine, that how does a search engine work, what is search engine, what they do, how they collect information, and how our website comes up in search engines. So now say for example, why do we need to learn about search engines? Because first of all, whenever we want to learn anything, say like suppose I want to drive a vehicle, then first of all I need to learn it, then only I can drive it. So the same way, if I want to get my website into search engine, then first of all I need to know that how does a search engine function. So if I know that okay, this is the process how a search engine functions, then I can make my website search engine friendly accordingly. So that is the reason we need to know how does a search engine function. So basically, what are search engines? So they are a software system through which users can search anything on the internet. So whenever we go to Google, we search something and we get results. So these softwares are called as search engines, wherein whatever we search, we get results for those keywords that we are searching. Now, what are the main components of search engines? The first thing is Spider. So Spider is a program that searches search engine and uses to follow throughout the internet. So they will travel across the internet and they will start collect the data from the websites, and then they will add it to the search engine database. So these spiders are also called as robots or bots or crawlers, whatever. I mean, there are different names of this spider. The next process is crawling. So in crawling process, they will find the documents on the web. So what do we mean by documents? Documents means it can be text, it can be images, it can be videos, it can be your Facebook post, it can be your Twitter tweets, it can be your LinkedIn post, it can be your YouTube videos, it can be anything. So whatever data is being uploaded today on the internet, say that all data will be collected by these spiders who are traveling across the internet. Now what type of data that they will collect? So they will collect only original and unique data from the internet, from the websites that they are crawling. So now when we talk about the content that comes up in search engines have decided that they want only original and unique content. They do not want any duplicate content. So now I understand that whenever I create a website or I create any content, it should be original, it should not be copied from anywhere. So usually what people do, they take some content from this website, some content from that website, they mix it up and then they make their own content and then they use it. But Google gets to know that from where this content is taken. So for that reason, we should not take anybody's content, we should not copy anybody's content, because copy does not work. If I copy anybody's content, my website will never ever come up in search engine. So it should always be original and unique, which does not exist anywhere on the internet. So yes, of course we have some methods to create that content, so that also we will be learning in the practical session. So this is how the data is collected, because whenever it picks up the data, it will first check with the Google's database that whether this content is available in their database or not. So if it finds that okay, this data is already available in our database and this content is taken from this website, then it will leave that data, it will not collect that data. So for that reason we need original content. Then the process is of indexing. So indexing is a library wherein all the books are arranged. So over here in Google search engine, what we are talking about is all the links which are collected, all the content which is collected, all the websites which are collected, they are arranged as per the keywords. Say over here, just now we were searching for some content over here, say digital marketing courses. So now we found so many results and they were displayed in just 0.55 seconds, so not even 1 second. So you can see this. So now this many results were able to display on our browser in just 0.55 seconds, a half a second approximately. So now if all, say if you go to a library, there are different sections in which the books are arranged. Now if I mix up all the books and put any book anywhere, will I be able to find the book in the library? No, definitely not. We will not be able to find that book. It might take a lot of time to find that book. Similar way, all the links, there might be millions and billions and trillions of links and keywords available for which all the content is arranged in a particular order. Say over here, for example, say this is the organic result, so this is arranged at the first position, this is at the second position, then this is at the third position, this is at the fourth position, fifth position, sixth position, like that. Say all these results, say maybe all these results are arranged in that particular way to the number of pages. Over here I can keep on scrolling. Previously there were numbers, say page 1, page 2, page 3, but now they have removed the pagination of the search engines. Now I can keep on scrolling the page over here. So now there is no page number, automatically all the results will come up over here. So I can find all the results. So now say if I still want to find some more results, I can just click and I will still get some more results. So this is what it does. So say all these results are arranged in a particular order. So indexing is the process where all the websites are arranged in a particular order, in which they are determined that okay, this website is more relevant and more useful to the users, which is related to the keyword. So then it is arranged at the first position, then the second position, then the third position, like that. All the results that we can see are arranged in that manner. So indexing is just the process of arranging all the data in search engines database. So this is what we get to see over here. All these results are arranged in a particular order. So that is indexing over here, and after that the last process is retrieval. So retrieval is not mentioned over here because that's a very simple process. Retrieval is nothing but you search something in Google and you get results. So that is retrieving of data from Google's database to our browser. That's it. So that is the retrieval process. So this is how a search engine works. So now what is my takeaway from this learning about search engines? So my takeaway is knowing about search engines, where I need to create original content for my website or whatever content I'm writing, wherever I want to post, whether it's a website or a blog or a tweet or a post or a video, whatever I am writing, I need to create original content. Only then my website will come up in search engines. So that is the takeaway from the search engine. So that is all about search engine optimization. Now this is the first method of search engine optimization. So there are two methods of doing optimization. So that is search engine optimization. So the first one is on page optimization and second one is off page optimization. So we will learn about both the processes. So now when we are talking about on page optimization, itself represents, the name itself represents that we are working on our website. So on page means on the website. So now over here it says that on page optimization refers to the factors that have an effect on your website or web page listing in the natural search results. these factors are controlled by you or by coding on your page. So now what does this mean? That there are various things that we need to work on our website. Say all these factors we need to take care. So now what are all these factors, and how do we arrange them, and what are the changes that we need to do on our website? So let me explain this in a notepad so that you will get a fair idea about what is on page optimization. So now say suppose I want to write a content for my website. So I want to write blog on my website. So I will first of all I will select a topic on which I want to write a blog. Then I decide that okay fine, I want to write a blog on say digital marketing strategies. So I want to write a blog on digital marketing strategies. So now how does my website come up? So first of all I need to decide that what are the points and key pointers that I will be writing, that these are the topics which could be involved in this particular topic. Then I need to decide that which is the main keyword of this particular topic. So that is called as primary keyword. So primary keyword, so primary keyword is the keyword when people will search with that keyword in search engine, then our that blog will come up which we are going to write. So that keyword which you want to rank a particular article, so that is primary keyword. So now over here I can say that okay, digital marketing can be my keyword, or digital marketing strategies can be my keyword. So I will use digital marketing strategy as my keyword. But now Google says that I should not depend only on one keyword in my blog. I should have multiple keywords which is supporting to these particular say topic. So then those keywords are called as secondary keywords. So I might find some say 3 to 5 keywords important to the topic over here. So digital marketing strategies, there could be various things involved in this. So I can select 3 to 5 keywords. But now this 3 to 5 keywords, how will I decide that I need minimum 3 or maximum 5 keywords? That depends on the topic length. So say like if the topic is of approximately say 500 words, then yes, 3 to 5 keywords will work. So then I can use 3 to 5 keywords as secondary keywords. But if my topic is more than 500, say like 1000 words, 2000 words, 5000 words, then 3 to 5 keywords will not work. Then I need to use more of them. So that we will come to it in just few moments. But first we will just understand the type of keywords. So first one is primary keyword, second one is secondary keywords, and then over here we can also use phrases. So phrases can be something like, say suppose you want to do digital marketing, and you want to search where you can do digital marketing. So what will you search? You will search for digital you can search for digital marketing courses. But then if you search for digital marketing courses, you will not get the right institutes. You might get any institutes in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, anywhere which are ranking in search engines. So now what is it that I can search? So I can search for digital marketing courses near me. So this is something that I can search. What is the second thing that I can search? I can search something like digital marketing courses in your location. So that is say suppose say I'm staying in Kharghar, so I want to do a course. So I will search for digital marketing courses in Kharghar. So like this I can search. So these are called as phrases, and it is very easy to rank phrases because people are exactly going to search this only, this or this people are going to search, so the location might change. But the only thing is that if I search for digital marketing courses, only digital marketing courses, then it could be a very broad range keyword, because we do not say, Google might not know your location. However, in the browser automatically detects the location and provides you with the results accordingly. Nowadays that all facility is available because browser is using your location. Say I will just scroll down and I might show you if it is available. So I don't know how deep I need to go. Let me see. So over here you can see sector 20, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. So if I'm searching for digital marketing courses, over here you will see the institutes which are located in Kharghar. So you can see Navi Mumbai. So over here you can see Nerul is also there, Juinagar is also there. Then there could be some other locations also. See over here you can see Sanpada. But now traveling to Sanpada or Vashi or say any other place that is quite far from my place. Say maybe I need to travel 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, 20 kilometers also. But if I search for digital marketing courses in Kharghar, then I will get the results of Kharghar. So you can see over here Kharghar, over here you can see Kharghar. So like this there are various courses. See, top digital marketing courses in Kharghar from Just Dial, then top 10 digital marketing courses in Kharghar from Digital Scholar. So let us open this also. Then over here digital marketing course in Kharghar Training Institute. So like this you will get the results. This is more easy. So if rather than searching for just digital marketing courses which will not give me relevant results, so for that reason I always use phrases which is easy for me to rank and there is no competition. See, if I search for digital marketing courses, why will I want to compete with the people who are in say very far location like Vashi or Sanpada or Mumbai, Malad or Thane, Borivali? Why would I want to compete with them? I am located over here, they are located over there, and we have a very far distance. Say students of Kharghar or Navi Mumbai might not go to Borivali to do a digital marketing course, and students from Borivali will not come to Navi Mumbai to do digital marketing courses, right? So they will go prefer their own location. So for that reason people will always search for digital marketing courses in their locations, or they will search near me. So this is the common phrase that people use. So whenever we are trying to use any keywords, we should make sure that we are using enough phrases in our content so that we can easily rank this topic in search engines with these phrases that we are using. Now these are phrases, right? So now we were talking about how many times I should use those keywords. So how many times? So that depends. Like I said, it depends on the length. So over here we mentioned that okay, for 500 words I can use 3 to 5 keywords. But how many times should I use my primary keyword? Over here I can use 3 to 5 other keywords. So 3 to 5 keywords also how many times? So in that case Google says that you need to use 2% to 3% of the total length, 2 to 3% of the content length. So what does this mean? So it means that if my article is of 500 words, then say 2% of 500 would be how much? 10, and 3% of the 500 words would be 15. So I need to use my keyword, primary keyword, 10 to 15 times in my article, 10 to 15 times uh, use in the content. So I need to use this particular keyword, this whole primary keyword I need to use 10 to 15 times. So this is what I can do. Now what about how many times should I use secondary keywords? Say 3 to 5 keywords I'm using. So these all 3 keywords or 5 keywords, whatever I'm using, how many times I need to use those keywords. Also you can use for 10-15 times, but you can keep it less than your primary keyword. So if you are using 10, then use secondary keywords for 9 times. If you are using 15 times, use it for 12 to 14 times. So that's absolutely fine. And then phrases. So phrases, you can also use phrases. There is no limit. If you are using only phrases, then you can use it 10-15 times. That's not a problem. You can just twist and turn the phrases and use it different way where your primary keyword is included in that. So that is what I need to explain. Now what is this thing all about, this on page optimization, what I need to do? So it means that I need to use my primary keyword at all these places. So now we understood that what is the importance of primary keyword, that whenever I search for my primary keyword, my say some results will come up, say my website will come up. So that is what I need to search. Now these primary keywords, I need to use it in the title tag. So what is a title tag? So let me open search engine, and okay, so over here you can see this blue colored title. So this is called as meta title, or over here title tag. So in this title I need to use my primary keyword. Say like suppose I'm searching for a keyword like digital marketing. So if I'm searching for digital marketing, let me search again. Yeah, okay. So if I'm searching for digital marketing, you can see this is the title, and in this title I need to use my primary keyword. So whichever keyword you are searching over here, this particular keyword will be there in the title. So it has to fulfill this criteria. If it does not fulfill this criteria, those websites will not be there in this search engine. So whichever the number of results which are appearing, so all these results which are appearing in search engine today, say all these websites will be having digital marketing in their title. Now it is not necessary that it needs to have digital marketing together. Say I can use digital somewhere over here and marketing somewhere over here, it's still fine, but I'm using digital marketing in my title. So that is what I need to tell. So over here you can see digital marketing is there in the title. Over here also you can see digital marketing in the title. Over here also you can see digital marketing. Over here also you can see digital marketing. Then over here also you can see digital marketing. Over here also you can see digital marketing. So everywhere, whichever website you take, you will find digital marketing. So that is fulfilling my first criteria, that I should be using my primary keyword in my title tags. Now this is description. So now coming to description. So description is also called as meta description in the language of SEO. So meta description is the description which is mentioned below the link. That is the description of the website. So this is the most important factor. So I can write it in my own words, or I can take 160 characters of the first paragraph of the website, or whatever is relevant that I want to add, but it should contain my primary keyword. So over here also in the content you can see it is highlighted, this is digital marketing is used. Over here also you can see digital marketing is used. Over here also you can see digital marketing is used. Over here also you can see digital marketing is used. Over here also you can see digital marketing is used. Over here also you can see digital marketing. Over here also, over here also, everywhere, whichever link you find, whichever result you find in this search engine, you will find digital marketing in the description. So now I am fulfilling my second criteria, that is meta description. Then I need to have my primary keyword in the URL also. So let us open the URLs. So I'll open this website, I'll open this website. So we'll check out few websites. So I'll open this website also, I'll open this website also, I'll open this website also. Now let us see. So in this website, so I can see over here digital marketing is there in the URL. So it is fulfilling my third criteria. So now let's check this one. So over here also I can see digital marketing is there in the URL. Over here also I can see digital marketing is there in the URL. Over here also I can find digital marketing in the URL. Then over here also I can see digital marketing is there in the URL. So now it is confirmed that yes, this is my third criteria which is being fulfilled. So this is what I need to do. Now site navigation. So what is site navigation? Site navigation is the links within the website. So wherever you find the link, it should contain your digital marketing keyword. So here you can see digital marketing is there. So site navigation is the link of within the website which takes you to the another page of the website. So over here you can see one link over here, now one link over here, one link over here. So all the links are containing digital marketing over here. Each and every link is containing. So these are called as site navigation. So within the website, so maybe many of the website would be using that, or say most of the website, because say that they have to fulfill the criteria, maybe inside the main menu or somewhere else. They would be using, see over here also they are using say digital marketing and e-commerce. So digital marketing is there in the site navigation. So I click on this and it will take me to a certain page. So you can see over here it is taking me over here. Then over here also in this website also you might find the links now for digital marketing. So you can see over here what is digital marketing, then over here 18 key types of digital marketing. So everywhere you can see the links are there for digital marketing. So now it is confirmed that yes, my fourth criteria is fulfilled related to site navigation on my website. So I'm using primary keyword in my site navigation. So the next thing is sitemap. So sitemap and robot.txt file we will see later on, because these are two different files and it has nothing to do with the keywords. These are different files. So let's, after site navigation, let us continue with the images. So now images, also I need to use my primary keyword. So how will I use my keywords in an image? See, if I use my primary keyword in the image, then the image will be spoiled. And even if I use my keyword in the image, then say how will Googlebot be able to read that image? See, Googlebot cannot read the image. They can only read the content. They can read only the code, the backend code and the text, or say only that content they can read. So now how can I use my primary keyword in the images? So just let me show you an example. So I'll show you the images which I have used in my website. So yes, so not over here, but yes, so these are all the images which are used in my website. So you can see each and every image has a particular name. See, digital marketing, digital digital marketing image 1, then over here DMC courses then over here Facebook instant articles copy, then over here Facebook instant article, then over here graduation cap, then over here this is logo, then over here also logo, then over here you can see social media, then over here you can see Republic Day, you can see plastic ban, then social media automation. So like that you can see student wall and student education. So related keywords are added as the name of the file of the image. So I need to add my primary keyword in the image name. So that is what I can do. So what happens with this, that whenever I am searching for some say like over here digital marketing, I'm searching for digital marketing in images, so my images will also come up over here. So you can see this, say all the images are related to digital marketing. Do you see any other images which is not related to digital marketing? All of them are only digital marketing. Over here you will not even see social media marketing or any other type of marketing images. All are digital marketing images. So say suppose I search for something like say biryani, So now you will see only the images of biryani, various websites having this recipes over here or over here. So now do you see any other images related to say digital marketing or social marketing over here? No, you don't see any images related to them. So how this is happening, that is because we are using a particular name of the image. So Google will find those names from the images, and those images are displayed in the browser when people are searching for those names. So now say let me search for my name over here, and let me see if my images are coming or not. So yes, you can see my images are coming up. So this is you can see all of them are my images, my videos over here. Say you can see my name also over here. Also you can see this is from my Facebook account, this is from my Twitter account, this is from my Behance account, this is from my freelance corporate account, LinkedIn account, this is again from LinkedIn account. So everything which is matching with my keyword, all that images will come up over here. So you can see this over here, this is all my images. So right now also you can see the same slide over here which we are using right now. You can see this image which you just saw on over here, you just saw this image is there. So the same image is appearing in the website also. So you can see this is from my Instagram account. So over here also this is animation from Facebook. So this is from LinkedIn. So these are all my images which are used in my website. Again my photograph over here. So like this you can just see. Okay, so of course some people with similar names, their photographs will also appear. So this is not me. So yes, even this is not me. So like this you will find the images which are related. So yes, so like this we find something whatever we want, we can find it over here in Google. So I need to use the image names whenever I'm uploading the images. So I just cannot upload 123.jpg or 234.png or abc.jpg something like that on the website, because it will hamper my search engine optimization. So I need to use proper naming conventions of the images before uploading it to the website. Now the next thing is headings. So what is headings? So let me just show you. So headings is usually you will find it in the blog. So let me open my website and show you the blog section. So in the blog section, whenever you are adding some content, at that point of time, say after every 300 words you need to have a heading. So Google says that it is easy for people to understand the content if you are using headings. So now over here we can see this particular article. Say this is one article, blog writing, how to start a blog in 10 simple steps. So this is the main heading of the blog. This is not the heading, but this is the title. Now when I scroll down, you can see this is the first heading over here. Then I scroll down, this is the second heading over here, then the third heading over here. So after every 300 words or 250 words I need to have a heading. So it is very easy for people to understand that what is going on right now. Say now, okay fine, I'll be reading something on this, so I need to follow the steps. Then I will be reading something on expert tips, and then I need to follow them. Then the blogging stage, so I'll get to know. So this over here you can see these are all headings. And what is it that is related to the heading which is shown over here? So like everything else, I need to use my primary keywords in my headings. So wherever I am using this, I need to use my primary keywords in this. So I'm not sure which keyword I might have used over here. So maybe blog writing or blog might be my primary keyword. So that you will find in the headings. So over here you can see something, then somewhere else over here you can see blogging is there. So like this you will find some keywords that are used in the heading. So in these headings also I need to use my primary keywords. So that is what Google is saying. So if I find that, then it is fulfilling my this criteria also about the headings. After that we have keyword usage. So keyword usage, we have already learned that how many keywords we have to use. So we have to use 2 to 3% of the content length. So that is what we need to use over here. So if I'm using a content of 500 words, then I need to use my primary keyword 10 to 15 times. Now if the same content is of say 1000 words, then I need to use, say how many times I need to use. So 2% of 1000 is 20, and 3% of 1000 is 30. So I need to use at least 20 to 30 times my primary keyword in the content. So that is what I need to use. So that is the keyword usage. Then comes keyword density. So keyword density means that how far or how close I can use these keywords. So now if I'm showing over here, say if I have to use a particular keyword in this article, then I cannot just finished writing those 10 keywords or 20 keywords in just first 2-3 paragraphs and say that okay, I'm done. It is not done, because if I do this, then this is a spam. So this is called as keyword stuffing, and keyword stuffing is spam. I should not use that. If I want to use my keywords, then I should use from starting till end. I should evenly distribute my keywords as far as possible. So maybe some paragraphs I cannot use it, some paragraphs I can use it for more than once, 1 or 2 times. Some paragraphs, if the paragraph is long, then maybe I can use 3 times or 2 times, like that. So I need to distribute it evenly throughout my content. I cannot just complete it in one paragraph and say that okay, I'm done. So that doesn't work. So that is the keyword density, how far or how close I can use the keyword. So I need to distribute it evenly across the content. Then comes mobile SEO. So what is mobile SEO? See, whenever we are searching for some keywords in Google, so I just go to Google over here. Now whenever I search for something over here like digital marketing over here, I get two options. The first one is by typing text over here, and the other option is by search by voice. So it is not necessary that if I'm getting the same results over here, I will get the same results if I search by voice. So there might be two different set of results. So if I have not optimized my website with the voice option, then my results will not come up when people are searching for this voice. So maybe my result will be coming up when people are searching by typing the keyword and then entering the search button. So at that time my results will come, but maybe when people will click on this search by voice and they will search for the same keywords, maybe my website will not come up over there. That is because I have not optimized my website for the voice. So I need to optimize my website for the voice also. So now we have two options over here, search by typing and search by voice. So these are the two options from the desktop or laptop. Now the same two things are available from the mobile devices also. So I have to optimize it 4 times. So first of all, it should come up by typing on the desktop and mobiles also, and the third and fourth is by search by voice on the desktop and mobile devices also. So I mean, I don't need to do the same thing 4 times, but yes, we have certain softwares called as plugins which we can install in our website, and it will take care of all these things. Over there we will define all the parameters for the text and as well as voice. So of course, whatever we are doing right now over here, the on page optimization, that is for the text, that is by typing and searching. But for voice, I need to install certain plugins, that is voice schema I need to install in my website. After that only it will come up in the search results. So that is what is mobile SEO. So that is the first criteria. The second criteria is that my website should be responsive. So what is responsive? Responsive website means that it should take the space of the container. Means if my screen is say a laptop screen of 13 inches, then my website should be properly visible, and it should be end to end, my website should be visible properly. if I'm using the same website on a very big screen like television, say 32 inches or 40 inches or 50 inches or 70 inches, still my website should have the same look and feel, and it should be displayed properly end to end. It should not go outside the screen on the left edge or the right edge. Of course, we can scroll up, but it is not that I can scroll left and right, so that should not happen. So for that reason, it should fit the left and right screen. It should be between the left and right screen, touching the edges of the left and right screen. The same is now if I'm searching opening the same website on a very small device like a smartphone or a small mobile phone, then still it should be responsive, and it should take the space automatically in the shape of that mobile device. So it should not again go outside the left border or left side of the screen or right side of the screen. It should not go outside that. So that is called as responsive. So how do you test that your website is responsive? Say nowadays we are using content management system like WordPress, Drupal, OpenCart. So there are more than 400 content management systems, and we are using WordPress, and even we will learn WordPress in this course. So now sorry, now I want to test whether my website is search engine friendly or not. So say suppose I go to the home page of the website over here, and I want to test whether my website is search engine friendly or not. So now you can see it is touching the edges and it is not going outside. So if it goes outside, then I will see a scroll bar at the bottom. See, I can see the scroll bar on the right hand side with which I can scroll the website, because website is vertically long. So this vertical scrolling is allowed, but horizontal scrolling is not allowed. So you see over here the scroll bar is not there. So this website is you can say that this is responsive, but still we need to test whether this is really a responsive website or not. So now let us reduce the size. So now you can see, say I'm reducing it to the fullest. So I will just scroll down over here. So see, you can see this is still I'll scroll down, still I'll make this smaller. So now you can see still the you do not see the horizontal scroll bar. So it is taking the shape, it is not going outside the edges of over here, outside the edge of this browser, it is not going. So now let me increase the size and let me see how does this function, whether how this shape is taking place. So okay, one second, let me just close this chat over here. Okay, okay, now let me, yeah. So now you can see this menu has become automatic over here. So you can see the hamburger menu over here. I click on this menu and the menu will appear with this when people will click on this menu. So it is automatically responsive. Now I will increase the size of the browser. So now you see how it is taking the shape. So I'm increasing, and you just keep an eye on the content inside. So you can just see this. So you can see the images are automatically increasing the size and touching the borders of the screen. See, automatically it is taking the shape. See, so this is called as responsive. If you are decreasing the size, then it should automatically decrease the size of this image over here, and if you are increasing, then it should automatically increase the size. So it should not go outside the screen, that okay fine, if I reduce this, so I will see a horizontal scroll bar and I will see the right hand side part of this banner, and you can see all the content is also arranged automatically. So now if I increase this, you just see what happens. See, right now I can see 2 courses. Now if I increase this, now I can see 3 courses over here. Now they have even increased in the size. So, and now if I do the full screen, so now you can see it is automatically adjusting. So everything is coming up properly over here. So this is called as a responsive website. So this part is also taken care in the mobile SEO. So like this, there are various things that we need to take care in the mobile device. and if I'm having a mobile app which is taking content from my website, then even that app also should be responsive, and it should display the same way how my website is functioning. Now the only difference between a mobile app and a website is that website works on the browser and apps work on the operating system. That is the only difference over here. So that is mobile SEO. So we will be learning more about it when we do things practically. Now coming to the remaining two files over here, say these two things, sitemap and robot.txt file. So these are say over here I do not need to use my primary keywords, but over here the function of these two files is different. So what is that function? So just let me explain. Let me open those files. So I open those files. I'll search for robot.txt file. So this is a text file over here, and sitemap. So this is an XML file which you can open in a text pad or a notepad. So this is over here, you can see this. So now let me explain what these files are. Say the first thing is robot.txt file. So this is robots.txt file. Now say in search engine optimization, like we just got to know that the spiders, the robots or the bots or the crawlers, they travel across the internet and go to each and every website to collect the data. Now how will those Google bots get to know that they are allowed to take content from a particular website or not? So for that reason, whenever a Google bot or any search engine bot comes to my website, it will search for its own file. So that is called as robot.txt file. So this is a text file which is just uploaded on the server. It is not linked anywhere. So now it will search for its file and it will open this file, and then it will read all the lines. So it will read the first line, user agent star. So star means that it applies to all search engines. Now if I just mention over here Google bot, then Googlebot will come, so it will understand that yes, I can take content from here. But now if Yahoo bot or MSN bot or Bing bot will come to my website, they also will do the same thing. They will find this file and open it, and they will read the first line and they will read it that okay, user agent Googlebot. So they will get to know that we cannot take any content from this website. So they will just close this file and they will go away from our website, and they will not take any data from our website. So this is just in case if I want to control that my website should be coming up or ranking up only in Google and not any other website, then I can use this. So I mean, it's up to you, but say definitely we want our website in all major search engines of the world. So I use star, so we can use star. So now that Google bot is coming on my website and reading the first line, user agent star, so it got to know that yes, I am allowed to take content from this website. Then it will read the second line, allow forward slash. So what does this forward slash mean? So forward slash means the home directory. So it means that I am allowed to take all the content from the home directory. So home directory is the place where all the files, all the pages of our website are located. All the blogs, images, pages of our websites are located in the home directory. So this is they'll get to know. Okay, so they'll say that okay, fine, we can collect all the data. But then it reads the third line over here and understands that reads that disallow slash wp admin slash. So that bot will understand that I am not allowed to take any file from this particular directory. So either I can use the directory name which I want to restrict Googlebot to collect from my website, or I can even name a particular file or a particular image or a particular video. But if I want to protect the whole directory, then I can just provide the name of the directory over here. So slash wp admin slash. So this wp admin is the administrative login with which they can manage the website. So that you will understand in the next session when we will do these things practically. So this is the administrative. So administrative login, only the owner of the website can log in, nobody else can log in. So there is no point in showing the files of this to the world, because they will not be able to do anything. So now I am protecting this particular directory. So over here disallow this. Now say in case you are uploading some personal photographs or family function photographs on your server, and you do not want the world to see it, so in that case also you can protect that directory by providing this URL over here. You can provide this name over here, like disallow a colon and then that directory's name over here, so it will not take any content and it will not be crawled. After that it will read the fourth line, that is sitemap is located at this particular URL. So immediately it will close this file and come to the sitemap.xml, which is mentioned over here. Sitemap.xml is located at this location. So it will open this file in the in our server, and then it will take all the URLs which we have mentioned in this file. So over here there are more than 800 URLs from my website, so it will take all the URLs from this particular file. So why do we create this file? This file is created for our own safety, that Googlebot will take only the content which we want and not any other content from the website. So for that safety reason I will use this. Now this particular file is so long that you might think that how much time will it take me to create this file. So you don't need to create this file. This file is created automatically. So there are say websites wherein you can generate these XML files automatically. So let me just show you. So you go to search engine and search for generate XML sitemap. So you just open any website over here, and you just provide your website URL. So I'll just provide my website URL. Okay, so this is my website URL. I enter this website URL and then I click on start. So now it will automatically scan my whole website, and once it scans it will create this file, and then I will get the option to download that latest file. So then I just need to upload this file on the server, and I of course first I will check that if I do not want any particular page or any particular blog or any particular directory to be restricted to search engine bots, then I will remove that particular request from this particular file. So I'll delete that particular URL over here, so that I can do. So it will scan and then it will allow me to download. So this is a free version, so I can create over here XML file. So this is what we can do. So now let me come back to this. Okay, so now these two files we have understood. So robot.txt file will communicate with the search engine. So see, our website and Googlebot need to communicate, only then they can share data. So if your friend comes to you for some help, then your friend must ask something from you, only then you will be able to help, right? The same way this robot.txt file is the communication file between the website and the Googlebot. So they will communicate, and they will say that okay fine, you are allowed on our website and you can take all the content except this particular directory, and our sitemap is located at this URL, so you can take all the links from this particular file. So this file will communicate to Googlebot, and then Googlebot will go to this file and take all the content which are listed over here, and then it will take crawl the content from those URLs mentioned in the sitemap, and then all that content is stored in the Google's database. So then when people will search for the any keyword, then our website will come up in search engine. That particular page will come up in search engine, which is mentioned in the sitemap.xml. So these two files are communication files between the search engines and our website. That is the function of these two files. Now you might say that what if we do not have these files on our server? So now if you do not have any files on your server, so say like suppose you have a robot.txt file but you do not have a sitemap.xml, so in that case what Googlebot will do, it will still read the content from here, and over here it will understand that okay, it is not permitted to take this directory. So apart from that, after that it will read this line, so and it will say that okay, sitemap is located at this location. So then this Googlebot will search for this file. So now if this file is not available, then it will take all the content from the website except this particular directory, and it will take all the content whether we want it or we don't want. So if any directory is private or public, so it will take everything and it will store it in the Google search engines, and people will be able to find it in the when people will search with any keywords. So for that reason we need to provide this over here. So if this file is not available, still we can protect our website and we can give all the content to Google, so that is okay. Now what if say I do not have a robot.txt file and I have sitemap.xml. So first of all, the point of contact is robot.txt file. If robot.txt file is missing, then it will say take any content from the website, whether it is protected or whether it is public, whatever it is private, it will take each and everything from the website and store it in Google's database and make it public available to everyone. So for that reason you need to have these two files on your website, and it is very important because you manage the content which comes up in Google. So over here whatever results you are seeing, it is not that okay, this comes up automatically and Google decides that what content should come up over here and what title should come up over here. No, this is you are the person who decides that what content of your website should come up in search engines when people will search for a particular keyword. It is you who are the deciding factor, and you decide and work on your on page SEO, and you work on all these things so that you can decide what content should go into search engines. So that is what is on page optimization is. Now we got to know that what is on page optimization. We have to put our primary keyword everywhere, use multiple keywords in the content, and I need to have these two files on my server. And after that after doing that, say it will take time. So it doesn't mean that you have done your SEO today and tomorrow your website will come up in search engine. It might take a 1 week or 15 days or 3 months or 6 months or 8 months or maybe a year for your website to come up in search engines, depending on how efficiently you have done your on page optimization. Depending on that the time frame will be decided, and also it depends on the competition for the same keywords which you are using. So it again depends on the research that you do for the keywords, which we will be learning in coming sessions. So you need to learn all those things, and then you need to do a lot of research and then use those keywords everywhere in your content and these all places which are mentioned. So this is on page optimization. Now say this is going to take time, so I assume that this might take approximately 15 days to 3 months time to for my website to come up in search engine. But till that time I cannot wait, and how will I do business till that time? So for that reason I have off page optimization. So off page optimization is something like I will be posting my website's link on various other websites. So I might be posting on various directories. So directories are like Just Dial or say India Mart or Trade India or Yellow Pages or Exporters India. There are various directories available. So just now when we were searching for some content, say like we were searching for say digital marketing courses, we found one of the link which was mentioning say Just Dial, right? So I'm searching for digital marketing courses, and in the organic results I found somewhere Just Dial. Let me see, somewhere it was there. mm, Okay, so every time the results keeps on changing, so for that reason it might come or it might not come. Okay, so yeah, it was coming up with a phrase. So digital marketing course in Khargar. Yes, now you can see over here just dial is coming. So if you have an account in just dial and if you have added your website in just dial, so indirectly your website will come up over here. So if people are searching for top digital marketing courses in Khargar, they will click on this link, and if you have added your company over here, so automatically your website will come up in this. So this is indirect method, but your website will definitely come up, and this will not take more than 7 days. So guaranteed within 7 days your website will be in search engines. So this is one of the method that you can use. So the first thing was directory submissions like just dial. Second thing is search engines. So there are thousands of search engines, but everybody are not fully automatic like Google and Yahoo and Bing, but there are some of them which are manual search engines where you need to manually submit your website to the search engines, and then it will crawl the content. They do not have spiders and crawlers who will crawl all over the internet and collect data and put it in their search engines. So they might be manual search engines, so we can submit our website to manual search engines manually. So that also we can do. So we have a greater chance for our website to come up in many search engines. Then we can write some blogs and articles on some other websites. So there are millions of websites available where we can write our we can promote our website, and we can add the links of our website. See, adding the link of our website is very important. If I do not add my links at all these places, then it is not off page optimization. See, because off page optimization is basically the process of building backlinks of our website. So over here I need to add the links of my website. So it can be a home page or any other page, blog page, or anything that you want that you can add, but your website URL should be there everywhere you are doing off page optimization, wherever you are promoting your website. So I can write a blog article on various other websites, and I can post my links on those. I can even do say social bookmarking, that is social networking. I can post links on my Facebook and write some few content, and I can just post a link over there. So I can do it on Facebook, I can do it on Twitter, I can do it on LinkedIn, I can do it on YouTube videos, I can do it on Instagram, various places. There are thousands of social media websites available where you can post your links. So you can do it on social media, you can reach this faster. Then you can also post your links in free classified websites. See, like OLX is there, Quicker is there, then Facebook Marketplace is there. So these are all classified platforms. And then there is one more, world's biggest website, that is called as Craigslist. So Craigslist is the website. It is having their presence in almost all the 7 continents and major states and cities of the world. So you can post your content over there, so the whole world is sitting in that website. So definitely you will have more opportunities for your website to be discovered by the world. So you post in free classifieds. So there are millions and billions of websites where you can post your content in free classified. So there are millions and billions of free classified websites where you can post your content. Then you can also post your content and links in press releases, submissions. So press release is not that famous in India, but in US and UK, even a common man will read a press release, and after that only they will step out of their house and go to offices, so that they keep themselves update about the various companies and whatever is happening, their releases, and whatever new things are coming up, and whatever announcement they have to make for their company. So that is all comes in the press release. So they read press releases. So press release is very important. So you can search for free press releases. So most of the press releases are paid press releases. So 80% of them are paid, but still we have 20% of them which are freely available, and we can just register an account and post our press release. So try to search for the international press release websites which are based in US, UK. So you have a better say exposure to international traffic. so you can post your links over there also. And then of course the process of building backlinks, so wherever you go you just post your link everywhere. It's very simple. Say even if you are sharing a link on a WhatsApp, then even that is off page optimization, because that link is clickable link, so people can click that link and go to your website. So whichever link is clickable, that is off page SEO. So wherever you post that link, people should be able to click that link. So if people are allowed only to copy the link and paste it in the browser, then it is not off page SEO. So just make sure that wherever you post, you have the facility of clickable links. So that of course mostly it is automatic, so you don't decide. So even if after posting you find that this is not a clickable link, it's okay, you can just close the website. But any which ways the content will be crawled, so it's fine for us. So we need to build backlinks. Now this off page optimization is so powerful that you can make your content go viral within 6 to 8 months or maximum a year. How this is possible? See, backlink building is a tedious process. It takes a lots of time and efforts. I mean, in just by posting one or two links every day doesn't help. You need minimum 25,000 links for your content to go viral. And say slowly your content will keep on going. So viral doesn't mean that okay, in one day your website will have millions of views. uh, Say it will start to go viral, like say it will start to reach more and more people day by day, and it will keep on increasing as you keep on posting more and more links. So the time you reach 50,000 links or 1 lakh links, then the fusion will start, the whole chain reaction will start, and your content will go viral, which is unstoppable. You cannot stop that fusion, you cannot stop that chain reaction. So see, the viral content which goes on YouTube and WhatsApp, that is just for few days. But this chain reaction which I am talking about, the content off page SEO, see that is permanent. Say till the time you have the website, that much traffic you will get, because you have taken that much efforts to build the backlinks for your website. So this is really very important. So yeah, that much traffic you can get, and you can get your content viral. So just imagine that today you might be having just few hundred people visiting your website, but tomorrow it might be 1,000, then 10,000, then 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 50 lakh people coming to your website every month. And this keeps on increasing, because wherever you are posting links on any website, see the people are browsing those websites, they will find those links and they will click on that links and they'll come to your website. So that is what is happening. So only the thing is that your content should be attractive so that people will click on that link. So you can use the strategies, and you can post your links. So this is off page optimization that we can do, so that your content can go viral and your website will come up in search engine within 7 days. So on page SEO will take time, but off page SEO will just take 7 days for your content. It might even come up in 2 to 3 days also, if you are using very good websites. Say especially like LinkedIn or Facebook and Twitter, you are posting some content, it will immediately come up. Say very next day also your website can come up in search engine. So that is all off page optimization. So this is say some of the descriptions over here which we have just talked about. Say like we were talking about this, say like title tags. So they are called as meta title in the language of SEO. So what are the different things which are called in the language of SEO? Meta tags. So meta tag means the keywords that we are using in our content. Maybe we are using hashtags or the tags or the keywords in our content, they are called as meta tags. Then meta description. So we just saw that below the say the blue line, that is the meta title, whatever description is there, that is meta description over here. Then over here this is the URL. So where we got to know that we have to use our primary keyword in the URL also. So that is the URL part over here. Then the sitemap.xml, just now we saw what is sitemap.xml and what is its use. So this is just the sample of the sitemap.xml file. And then images also we saw. See, if I'm searching for some chocolate cake, I will get all the images of the chocolate cake and not any other cakes, right? So we understood the importance of the naming conventions in the images also. Still there are few more things which you will understand that what you need to use in the images when we do the practical session. From tomorrow, from the next session, we are starting the practicals. So that is we are going to see that is in the images. Then headings also we got to see that we have to have headings after every say 250 to 300 words. I need to have headings, so that I need to use. And then robot.txt file also we understood that this is the communication file between our website and the Google bots or any search engine bots who are coming on our website to take the content. So this is the example and the explanation of the robot.txt file. Then keywords, so keyword is the tags or meta tags that we can use. So whenever we search this, so these words are called as keywords. So keywords are the important keywords that we are searching in search engine, which we have to use it in our content to rank that particular page or article. Then we had learnt about the content and keyword density. So it was 2 to 3%, sometimes it is 3%, sometimes it is 2%. So it was somewhere between 2 to 3%. So I should update this, so it should be 2% to 3%. That is what I need to use. Then keyword research, so there are various tools that are available. So from the next session, once we understand how to create a website, after that we will be doing the research, we will be creating the content, and then we will be doing the keyword research. So then those keywords will help you how to rank your pages into search engines. Then segment keywords, so with the searcher's intent. So searcher's intent means say how will search engine get to know that what exactly are you searching. So if I search for digital marketing in search engine, so how will Google get to know that what exactly are you searching in digital marketing? Are you searching for a digital marketing course, or you are searching for digital marketing agency, or you are searching for something other than that in digital marketing, or you want to know something about digital marketing? So how will Google get to know? So this all depends, Google will detect automatically from the browsing history that you are being performing all these years in the same browser with your login details. So Google has all the data which with which you are browsing. See over here, in this is my browser right over here, and over here you can see I am logged in. So over here you can see sync is on, so it means that whatever I'm searching, whatever websites I'm going to, it is say registering, and it is saving in its database. So all my content, whatever I'm browsing, whichever website I'm searching, whatever keywords I'm searching, everything is getting registered. So if I go to some other person's computer and I log in, I still get my same all the this favorite bar, this bookmark bar, and all my bookmark will be available on any PC if I just log in over here. So all my data which is stored on my PC over here, which I feel which is on my PC, but this is coming from the Google's database. This is not stored in my local PC. So of course I can just even if I log out, I will not be able to see this browsing bar over here. Only if I logged in, then I can see this bar over here. So that is what I get to see if I open a new browser, say I close this browser and I open this browser, a new browser. Say I have various logins over here for different accounts, and say like if I add a new one, and I say continue without an account, and I just give a name, test. So or else I'll use say a name Madwits, and then create a desktop shortcut. I don't want that, and I'll say done. So now it is opening this. So now you see over here there is no bookmark because I did not sign in over here. I did not save anything over here, so it does not show anything. Now even if I say to show the bookmark over here, then also it will show, but it will be blank. So tools over here, or say bookmarks over here, show bookmark bar. So over here you can see it is blank over here, but to save anything over here I need to be logged in over here. So I need to be logged in. So that is what I meant by say all the data and browsing history is there with Google. So that is the searcher's intent. With that, Google will get to know that what exactly I am searching for. Maybe in last few days I might have searched for digital marketing courses in Kharghar or various places, or somewhere else I was searching for this. So now today if I'm searching for digital marketing, Google will understand that yes, I'm searching for digital marketing courses, and it will give me relevant results over there. So that is searcher's intent. So this all will think this all things will come up when we do a lot of keyword research, so which we will be learning in coming sessions, that is in the keyword research. Then prioritize the keywords by collecting the keyword metrics, volumes, difficulty, click-through ratios, opportunities. So there are various factors related to the keywords through which we can select the right keyword for our website or content that we are developing. So that also we'll be seeing in the tools. There are various tools available in which we can find all these things, and then how we can target those keywords and new content creation priority in those articles that we'll be seeing. So that everything will come up in the keyword research that we do. So these are the processes that we'll be following when we do keyword research. After that, say like we were talking about the off-page SEO, we can do directory submission. So this is the world's biggest directory submission website. So previously it was moz.org. Moz directory was there. So moz directory was retired, and in its place this curly directory has come up. It has taken its place, and I can submit all my content. This is not like a search engine, but over here if people are searching for digital marketing courses, and if I am registered for digital marketing courses, then my result will definitely come up over there, and people will click on those links. So I can post my content over here. So there is very less competition in directories compared to search engines. So I should post my content into the directories. Then search engine submissions, like I said that we need to submit our website into various search engines, so that also we can do manually. So this is the process where I can provide the URL of my website. Yeah, I'll make it a little bit bigger. So I can provide the URL of my website, my email address, my name, my phone number, and my country, and some captcha, and then I can submit it to various places, and then I can click on submit now, and then it will automatically submit it to various search engines in the world. So it is automatically, and it is free website submission, so that I can do. So after that, what I have is, okay, yeah. So after that, there are various blogs and article websites. Over here you can see wordpress.com, tumblr.com, blogspot.com, alltop.com, weebly.com, say like this. There are various websites where I can write blogs and articles, and I can post my links over there. So this is one of the good websites which is having high domain authority and page authority. So every domain has some value. So if more the number, then more authority, then more numbers. So say from 0 to 100, and page authority is from say 0 to 10, that is page rank. So from 0 to 10, the higher the rank, higher traffic, and higher credibility of the website and that particular page. so we need to post on high domain authority and high page rank websites, so that I can use. So these are some of the websites with the higher domain authority and the page authority websites. So my website has a very good chance to come up within 24 hours if I post my content on these websites, so that I can do. Then I have okay, so after that I have press release. So these are the websites for the press release where I can submit my press release. So like this, of course we will be searching on the internet. This is just the examples of some of the websites that we can use. So I can build backlinks to my website. So if I have more backlinks, then Google will understand that this web so many websites are talking about this website, so it means that this website is important. Automatically the rank of my website will increase and it will come towards the top of the search engine. So it will move towards the top of the search engines as the credibility of my website increases day by day. So that comes with posting more number of backlinks. Then mobile SEO, like we were talking about, say you need to be say your process of web designing should be in such a way that it should be viewable on all mobile devices of different screen sizes. Even having low bandwidth or good internet connection, it should be visible and it should load faster. So that is one of the thing. Then approach to mobile SEO, so it should be optimized in terms of the mobile apps. So app store optimization and app indexing should be done. Then it should have a responsive design so that it can take the shape of the container, that is the browser. Then accelerated mobile pages, so these pages are specially for the mobile devices where I can have a separate set of pages apart from my website. So I can make one page for the desktop and one page for the mobile device, so it will load faster. Because on the say desktop or laptop version, I can have bigger images on the website, it will still load faster. But if I have the same bigger images which are loading on the mobile device, then it will take a lot of time. So my website will take a lot of time to open in the mobile devices because the image size is very big. So if I'm using an image of 850 pixels by 400 pixels, then that image opening on a mobile device will take a long time. But if I'm using a very small size image like 300 by 100 pixel images, then it will load very faster. So I need to take care of the accelerated mobile pages. Then like I said that we were talking about the standard over here about for the search. So I need to install the voice search schema and local SEO I need to do. So these are related to the voice search when we are searching in the search engines for typing text and search by voice. So that I need to install and integrate in my website. So that also is part of the mobile SEO. And then app store optimization, so if I'm having a mobile app, then I should even optimize that for the app title, app icon, keywords, description, number of downloads, screenshots, ratings and reviews. So I need to take care of all these things so that my app will rank in the Play Store or App Store as well, because over there it will not come up in search engines, but it will come up in the Play Store or App Store, whatever we are searching for. Then app indexing, so automatically say if you are opening a website and if it has a mobile app, then it will automatically ask you to open in an app. So you might have noticed that option many times, right? So then we click that okay, open in the app. So if that app is not installed in your device, then you will be taken to the app of the Play Store or App Store, whichever device you are using. And if that app is already installed, then it will automatically open in that app. So that is app indexing, so that we can take care of. And then mobile design, so responsive design, say like I said that on the big screen also it should look properly, on the smaller screen also it should look properly, and on the very small screen also it should look properly, whether it is vertical or horizontal, it should look properly. So it should be responsive basically, so that we need to do. After that, say for accelerated mobile pages, so the pages for the mobile device, I need to take care of the HTML and JavaScript and all those things. So that is a technical part, not much say important from the user point of view. It is important from the developers point of view, but still we will take care of that and see how we can optimize JavaScript and cache and HTML part of the website. So that all things we'll take care of. And then voice search schema. So if you have voice search schema installed, then you will get some additional options over here also, like you can see all these things. So if you have some events on a particular day, say those all things will be coming up. So you can have a special schema event snippet coming up in the search engines also, so that you can do. So this is very good option. And then voice search for local SEO. So when you are searching with the voice, your content should come up in the search engine on the right hand side, so that is called as local SEO. Then black hat SEO refers to all the say like it's black magic and white magic, something like that. So black magic is not good. Same way black hat SEO is not good and white hat SEO is good for the website. It is ethical and non-ethical, it is like something like that. So black hat SEO is all the malpractices that people do to get their website into the top, but it actually doesn't stay over there. It might stay there for a few hours or few days, but once Google notices it, immediately they will be removed. So say like there are various things that people do, like keyword stacking and keyword stuffing that people do, unrelated keywords which are not matching the content, so that is of no use. Then over here, say some more examples, people might be using tiny text or hidden text. Say hidden text, how can people use hidden text? Say if the background of my website is say white color, right? So I will use hundreds of keywords and I will put the text color also as white. So definitely I cannot see the text over here because the background is white, the text color is also white, so the text is hidden. But Google bots can read all those things, so for that reason people are using those tiny text as say keywords. So for that reason people do all those things, but that is not right, that is wrong. Then people do clocking, so that is say present search engines with one set for the visitors and one set for the say customers. So one for search engines and one for customers, they prepare two set of the same pages, so that should not be done. You should create website for the visitors and not for the search engines, because after all the business that you are going to get is from the visitors and not from the search engines. Search engines will just make your website available to the visitors, so for that reason we should make sure that the visitors are happy and they have good experience on our website. So that is clocking, which we should not indulge into. Then algorithm shift is Google updates. So Google releases more than 4,000 to 5,000 updates every year that all the webmasters should follow, but it is not mandatory that you follow each and every all 4,000 5,000 updates. Out of that maybe there are 50 60 or 100 updates which are very important, so all big updates you have to follow. Minor small updates you don't need to take care of, because if you try to get into all the updates that Google tells you, then you will be keeping yourself busy into only those updates, and after that when will you do business? So that won't be possible. So this is Google algorithm shift. So even if you search in Google that Google algorithm shift or say Google algorithm in Google search engine, you will get to the Moz website where you will find all the updates from Google that we need to take care of on in different year, which update came up. So that all things you will get to know. Say like over here, say now okay, this sitemap.xml file is ready, so I can just view the website and now I can download the XML file. So the sitemap.xml file is ready. So now right now I will just store it, and I will store it in the place where I want. Okay, save, replace it. So now it has updated to the latest one. So yeah, we were talking about the Google algorithm shift. So I go to Google and I search for Google algorithm update. So if I just search for Google algorithm update, there are various websites where I can find, but this Moz website is maintained by Google and 5 other search engines. So say, yeah, not 5 but yeah, 3 of them. So Google, Yahoo and Bing. So these major search engines maintain this website for all the important updates. So you can see the same thing over here, Google algorithm update, and in the slide also you can see the same thing, Google algorithm change history. So this is over here, and over here you can see what see in 2023 still there are no updates. Let me just see the year. So yes, in 2023 still there are no updates, but the last update in 2022 was on September 2022, product review update. So Google releases their 5th product review update last until September 26th. Now, this update completely overlapped the September core update. Ranking flux across both updates peaked 94.7% on September 21st, wrapping up the tumultuous month. Okay, fine. So there are certain updates for the e-commerce websites. Once you click on this, you will get to know that okay, what are those websites and what we are seeing from the Google product review updates and Google release September 2022 product review update. So I click on that and I get some information about those things over here. So Google releases September 22 product review update. So this update is related to the product review update. So this is the 5th Google product review update. So over here there is all the say data that is provided about what are the things to be done and what are the things that you need to take care of, what are the changes, what is the impact, and what was not done, how was the core updated, and various advices provided. So I mean there are a lot of things you can just see over here. So we need to view all these updates from time to time. You can just search for Google algorithm update and you will come to this Moz website, and you can just go through the updates. So from time to time we need to go and see those updates. So yes, then we can update it. So that is Google algorithm shift. And then there are various versions of algorithm which were released. So these all Google Panda, Penguin, Hummingbird, these were all the names of the updates, the major updates, the very big changes which came into Google. So this was not today's, say this is say from last 10-15 years, the updates which came up. First one came about Panda. So the name was Google Panda, which takes care of the quality sites content into the account. So with this they want quality content on the website, so not the copied content. So all the copied content website were removed in one day. So thousands and lakhs of websites were removed from search engines in one day. So they deleted all the duplicate data of the websites who copied from other websites. So that we can get to see over here. Then say over here, like going into detail. So this was in February 2011. This Google Panda was launched in 2011, and it was about Google search results ranking algorithm. So where it was penalizing on the low quality articles website, except a Panda penalty if you have a gaming website, lyric sites and medical content site. Those website can contain duplicate content, because after all they are sensitive. Say medical content is sensitive content, so they cannot remove that content. So these website had an exception. So gaming also, one person can say 2% can play the same game. So over there no one can dispute about that. Then lyrics also. So one song, say this one, there is one song which is being used by two people and writing the lyrics of that song. So no one can claim copyright on the lyrics, so except the owner. So of course if I have a website wherein you want to search the lyrics of any Bollywood movie, Bollywood movie song. So I might create a website where I will be providing the services of creating lyrics of all the songs, Bollywood songs, or the most popular songs of different years, so people can use my website, so that can be a big hit. So like that, many other people also might be using the same concept, so that cannot be disputed. So again, those kind of websites were excluded. So like that, time to time there were different update released. So this was related to the bad links, buying links, directory submission, article submission. So like this, there were various updates from time to time in 11, 12, 13, in 14 there were launched. So like this, there were various updates that were released from time to time. Over here, Google Penguin, Panda, Hummingbird, then over here, how to perform SEO edit. So this is all the advanced thing. So this is what we are going to learn at the end of the search engine optimization, because first of all you need to know how to do this, because if I go into detail of the SEO auditing of the website, then it will be too technical at this point of time, and you will not understand everything. So I would not prefer taking this right now. We can stop over here, and from the next session we will be working on the practical. So what we will be doing in the next session, see, how will I be able to implement all these things, whatever we have learned today, like optimizing the content and on page SEO and off page SEO, how I can use all those things. See, all those things can be done only if you have a website and where you have content on it. So first of all, you need to learn how to create a website. So in the next session we will learn how to create a website. Then in the next session to that, we will be adding content to the website. And then in the third lecture, after this lecture, we will be implementing all the strategies of this on page SEO in that particular content which we have added in that website. So then only, so first of all we need to have a website, you need to add multiple articles in that website. So from the next session your homework will start. So be ready for that. So spare some time for that, not more time, even 1 hour will do for that, so that's more than enough. So if you have more time, it's well and good, but 1 hour minimum you can spare from the next session. So not during the session, so in between the session, say like today we are having session, and if I'm giving you some homework today, so by the next session you should do that homework, and whatever I give you homework in the next session, then in the next to next session you should have provide me all the details about the work that you have done. So everything would be online, so I can monitor it from here, so you don't need to actually show me. I will get to know what you are working on which day, how much work you have done. I can monitor everything, so that's not a problem. So but the only thing is that yes, you need to work on it. So because this course, like I said on the initial day itself, that this is not a theoretical course, this is 100% practical course, because digital marketing is not a theoretical subject, it's 100% practical subject. You need to practice each and every module that we are learning, only then you can master digital marketing. So yes, from the next session your homework will start. So from the next session we will start the practical part of creating a website. So I'll be creating your logins in the next session, and then after you learn how to create a website, then you also will be try to do the website. I know it is not easy to create a website in one go, but yes, you can at least work around the logins that I've given and try to do what we have learned. And of course I will be uploading the lectures also, so you can even refer those lectures while you are practicing. So you will get all the lectures, recorded lectures. I will be uploading it on the website, so your own lectures you can see over here, it is being recorded. So your own lectures will be uploaded, and you will be given the login details and password, so wherein you can check and use all the lectures. So that's it for today. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. You can unmute your microphone. Hello Dipti, are you there?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Can I get all these notes through mail?
No, no, there are no notes. You will be getting video lectures. You say
Okay.
on my portal. Just now I said you are not
Yeah,
listening.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, listening.
So I told you that you will
But
be
that
getting the
website,
login.
no?
You will be getting login details where you can practice everything. And with that login details, say the lectures also will be uploaded. So the lectures are recorded right now, and say from the next sessions they will be uploaded also. And once they are uploaded, you will be able to view in your login. So if you are practicing something and you face difficulty, then you can refer those lectures, and still if you don't understand, then in the next session you can always ask me. So that is not a problem.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine, then see you in the next session. Goodbye, good night.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.